Good morning, TPS Proud. I'm John Henry Livingston with another motivational moment from Whirlwind U. My thought for today is how to become an expert at focusing less. It's not uncommon during personal coaching sessions for someone to say to me that they believe in order to get the success they are after, all they probably need to do is to become more focused. My response is generally in the form of a question, and I ask, so when did you decide to become an expert at focusing less? In other words, when did you lose focus? When what you do every day loses its value, then your day can become a routine filled with nothings, and now it has less value. Sometimes the only difference between something of value and something with no value is perspective. Remember, the mind is always focused on something. But what do you see? Think about it. I'm John Henry Livingston, your personal coach. Blessings upon your life today. And now, The Breakfast Club presents new guidelines for entering the building and cleaning your bus with Miss Deana Phillips.
Good morning, everybody. We are going to do a video for you so you can kind of expect what's going to happen when you come to work. Cassandra is my actress. She has just pulled up. Before she gets out of her car, she will make sure she has her ID badge on her, and also her mask will be fully on over her nose and her mouth. She will also have her bag with her that has her cleaning supplies and anything she needs for the bus. Her mask is on completely. She will get her phone and she will punch in on the TCP mobile app. For those of you who cannot download the TCP mobile app, we will demonstrate how to use the outside TCP clock. So Cassandra is going to punch in on the time clock. She's going to come in, use the hand sanitizer, and then she's going to open it up, do what she has to do, like normal. And then when she is done, she will reuse her hand sanitizer. And then Cassandra will walk to her bus to begin disinfecting her bus. Okay, so Cassandra is coming onto the bus. She has her bag, which has the disinfectant. You guys will probably be using like shop towels, like the paper towel kind. She's wiping down the handrails. And then she will come on and she will wipe down the driver area. I would try to get all of it, but anything like the seat, the seat belt, the buttons, the steering wheel, the gear shifters, the radio, anything that you as a driver know that you touch while you are driving. All of it should be wiped out. And always assume that you might have been the last person yesterday, but somebody might have gotten on and drove your bus real quick. So you always want to assume that the area needs to be wiped out. Okay guys, now I'm going to demonstrate what to do if you have to use the ladies' restroom or come into the building. Really, the only reason you should be coming into the building is if you already have an appointment with somebody working in the building, or if you have to use the restroom. You will see that we have arrows on the ground indicating that you come in the west door here and you go out the east door, which is by the training office. So, as Cassandra is going in the door, she will open the door up. She will look and make sure that nobody is in the hallway. As you can see, the arrows are on the ground. Cassandra is going to go to the restroom. She's looking to see if anybody's in there, and then she will enter. As you can see, the drinking fountain is off limits. Okay, so Cassandra's going to come out of the bathroom. She's going to follow, she's going to follow the arrows that are on the floor. So, the radio room and Dana's office, Cindy's office, the main office, Jen's office will all be locked or closed. You can see that Cassandra is following the arrows on the ground, and she's going to exit out the east side of the building. Okay, gentlemen, or if anybody has to go see Mike, you're going to come in this door, number 4. You're going to look and make sure nobody's in the hallway. Just so you know, there is hand sanitizer at every entrance. So I'm going to turn around here. You can see that there are arrows on the floor. So this is why it's very important that you look and see who is in the hallway when you're coming in. If someone's in the hallway, please wait. So Cassandra is going to now walk down to Mike's office because he called her in to talk to her about something.
Hi, Mike. You needed to see me?
So you will stop at the doorway and talk to Mike. Also, just so you know, the garage is off limits to everyone except for the mechanics and Mike. I know it just says no drivers, but it does include everybody. And now Cassandra she's done talking to Mike. Now she will exit back out the same door that she came from. So she's checking to make sure nobody was in the hall, and now she's going to exit out the door. If somebody was in the hall, she would get out of the way. Hi guys, just want to show you that the lounge is not available to drivers or aides right now. The ice machine's down, like I showed you, the coffee, microwaves, vending machines empty, all the lockers, including the lockers in the ladies' restroom area, they are all off limits right now. The only people that use the lounge is mechanics, so they can socially distance while they brown bag their lunch. We might have some routers set up here in the future so that they have more room. So they're not all in one area, and we also will have a little bit of training in here with our OBIs. So just to let you know, don't expect to be able to come into the lounge, get coffee, or anything like that.